माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम इन 3 चीजों के बारे में जानेंगे जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है इन केस ऑफ रियल एस्टेट प्रोजेक्ट्स. So the first one is the property tax. The another one, when you book the property, that is called an allotment letter. And the next thing is when you pay your 10% and enter into the agreement of sale. So आज हम इन 3 चीजों के बारे में जानेंगे कि why it is so important in case of real estate deal. So kindly watch this video till end. Friends, the property tax is paid when you purchase a property from any builders or developers, and it is the responsibility of any individual or the owner or any government bodies like corporation. They need to pay the property tax. Why property tax? Friends, property tax to be paid to the respective authority so that they can take care of the maintenance of the amenities like road, sewage line, gutter line, any parks or street lighting, and all these things. Paying the property tax before handing over of the project to the end client is the responsibility of respective builders and developers. That's why whenever you buy any property, you have to confirm that all the property tax till the possession of that project has been paid by the builders and developers. And property tax receipt plays an important role in a search report of a property. So search report will not render in case you are not having a clear property tax receipt. The second thing is the proforma of the allotment letter. Friend, allotment letter is the letter when you first book the property and any builders and developers offer you that allotment. So RERA or MAHARERA has come up with the proforma of the standard format of the allotment letter, and that format only has to be submitted or uploaded by any builders and developers while registering their project. So you will get the allotment letter as per the format prescribed by the MAHARERA. If any builders and developers wants to modify or alter that clause in the allotment letter, then he has to highlight that portion which he has deviate or the deviation has been taken by the builders and developers, and then they have to upload that allotment letter while taking the registration of the project along with the justification or the list of the modification in the allotment letter. Any builders and developers cannot take more than 10% of the amount unless and otherwise he will not first enter into the agreement of sale with the owner. And that's why agreement of sale is important document here. In case of allotment letter or like allotment letter, agreement letter format or the agreement to sale proforma or the format has been issued by the MAHARERA, and it's a compulsory for each and every builders and developers to go for the proforma of the agreement to sale format, and you will get all the clause as per the proforma of the agreement to sale format which has been prescribed by the MAHARERA. In this case again, every builders and developers needs to upload the proforma of agreement to sale while taking the registration of the project. In case of any deviation to the clause, then he has to highlight that deviation in another color so that can be informed to the buyer specifically. So that's why agreement to sale is an important document. MAHARERA has come up with some deviation which is a shall deviation or which has the shall requirement so that they can protect the interest of the buyer. And these deviations are or these shall requirements are: any builders and developers is liable to attain the quality defects structural defects within the 5 year of span after handing over the project to the end users. So that shall requirement are there in your agreement letter or not, you have to check. And if it is there, means you can go to any authority to raise your complaint against that builders and developers if it is not listening to you. So that is for your protection, and that is for the protection of the buyer. ARERA has taken that step so that you will get the property which is from a respective authority, and your interest shall be as it is, and no builders and promoters can take the step back if it is mentioned in the property. So that's why it is very important to read agreement to sell very carefully, and then after you sign that agreement to sell. So that is from my end, friends. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to my channel, and I will give you more information about it. Thank you very much, my dear friend, for watching.